Hello everybody, Syncretic3D here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my Blender package to create these procedural tiles. In the package for $50, you're going to receive several specialized group nodes, around 100, which will hopefully speed up your material workflow. On the product page, I added a list of the nodes included in the package. I also included a link to the documentation. And you can find the link to the product below. Now we have a Blender project open. I'm going to delete the Procedural BSDF, give it a plastic shader. I'm going to give it a dove blue color. And with my package appended, I'm going to type in the search bar tiles. We have a lot of options here that I'm going to explore. We can change the mortar size, and I'm going to plug into a mask bump node. And we can change the bevel width here, which actually follows the mortar. This is something that the default Vollmer texture has a lot of issues with. But through a long series of nodes, which you can find inside of the group node here, I figured out a method that actually works. I'm just going to plug it straight into the normal of the shader here. It looks pretty good. However, I want to give it some darker edges here to the tiles, just to give it some more definition. So I'm going to use this mask output and multiply it by a color. And we can always change the width of the darker edges right here. And by the way, these edges do follow the mortar size, so it stays consistent. And then I'll use the mask output below to blend it with some brighter edges as well. I'm going to use color dodge for this. And of course you can change the width of these as well. And now we can plug it into the shader. And then after that, it's just a matter of tweaking the width of the dark edges and the width of the light edges, as well as the blend types and the power of the blend types. So that is how you use my tiles node in my Blender package. And again, you can find the link to the product below. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.